Hey there, welcome back guys. This video is for those that have their DJI Goggles 2, Goggles 3, Goggles whatever, and it's in Chinese. That's right. Whenever our subscribers actually have that issue where they turn on their goggles, sometimes it'll be in Chinese for like a split second, then revert back to English, or maybe it just now it's in Chinese because you accidentally pressed the button. Well, we've got you covered. We're gonna get you back in the language that you want, and we'll do it in a couple of different languages so that you can just get the gist of it and the feel of it and moving forward in case this happens to you. All right, knowing that, without any further ado, let's get started. So you're gonna want, for me, I'm gonna push everything. You're gonna see it happen in real time so that you know it works, and you know it will work once you see it done here. Okay, remember. And you'll even see all the glitches. I'm not going to cut anything out. We're not going to leave you out. We're not just going to show you the nice parts. We're going to show you all the parts, the good, the bad, the ugly, because as you know, nothing is as fluid as you think it is, especially with anything. All right, knowing that, moving forward, I'm going to turn this on. Well, don't let my computer fall asleep. So with that turned on, we didn't hear a ding. Oh, there we go. And now I can push it to the computer. All right, moving forward. Oh, there we go. All right, so we got it. Once you see that, you're going to see this screen. So I'm just going to push everything to here so that you guys can see what's happening and how to do it. I'm just going to connection guide. For me, I'm just doing camera view. See, we have our camera view there. All right, so this is the part that's freaking people out. Let me take off my glasses, and I'll leave a cheat sheet in the description down below. Okay, so what we're going to do is you're going to go here into status. You'll be in status, and you're going to go 1, 2, 3, 3 down, settings. Now you're going to go backwards the other way. Don't count down, because in another language, it's sometimes hard to lose count, and you're nervous, and you're seeing things in another font, another, All right, so go to about. So see 1 down. We're going backwards, about, and then we're going to go backwards again, so you go up. See, now you know you're at the bottom because the first menu option is highlighted, and then you're going to go 1, 2, and then you go English. All right, so let's choose. Everyone seems to have trouble with Chinese. I think they're accidentally pressing Chinese at the startup, and then we're going to go back. Let's see. I'm like, oh no, what do I do? It's in, I don't know, I just want to fly my drone. And now you can't, you want to change your settings, it's in Chinese. So then what we're going to do is same thing, same process, right? We're going to go that way and then go backwards, start backwards, because you get nervous. It's like, wait, is it 1, 2, 3? Because the other video I think is like a 12-step program. And this one's going to be really short. I think it's 3 steps, okay? You're going to go back, see 1, you're at the bottom, and just go 1 up. That's it, 1 up. And then we're going to go that way, and then I'm going to go backwards again, okay? To about. So that right there, in Chinese, that means about, okay? So we're going to go here, and now, what do I do? It's all that. And so now you're going to go backwards again, right? So just start from the bottom, work your way up. See, now we're at the bottom, and we know we're at the bottom because it's the first item selected in the menu that's down at the bottom. All right, so knowing that, moving forward, we're going to go 2 up, okay? 2 up, 1, 2, all right, and then you just go select, and I'm like, oh my god, there's my language. If it's Dutch, great, select it. If it's Espanol, choose Spanish. In this case, we are going to choose English. Again, we'll do it one more time. We'll choose another language. We'll choose maybe Spanish. Okay, let's see, go this way. I'll do it really fast. Go backwards. Don't worry, I'll do it slow once we get to the other language. Remember, about's always at the bottom, no matter what language. And that's really nice that DJI maintain the continuity of the menu so that folks could actually follow along if someone makes a video like this. So maybe someone needs this in Spanish, you make the video in Spanish. All right, so and then we're just going to go to language, and we're going to go to Español, right? And now we're like, oh no, what do we do? Español, no te quiero inglés. All right, so then we go back. The L, everything's like el control remoto. No, este mundo. We'll do it in Spanish. This way it's more dramatic. Es mi moto de vida, a DJI, a pata. Like, eso es muy bueno. This is like, es mi mundo, es sábado. I just want my drone to work. Es muy película. All right, so again, moving forward, All right, so again, it's in Spanish. We're going to start backwards. Configuración. Or something like that. We're going to go up, right? So we're going to go here, configuración. And then we're going to go, remember, about is at the bottom. So it's just do backwards, so it's easier that way. Go up, it's easy. And then now, this is the part that's probably confusing for a lot of people because it's hard to count and it doesn't say language selection. So then we're just going to go backwards again, right? And see, idioma español. Okay, so then we're going to go 2 up. Okay, 1, 2. And then I'm like, oh my God, I see it. There's English. There's my, oops, don't break anything. And then there's English. Eso es because, you know, like it's making it more dramatic. All right, so there we go. And then now we have, and that's it. Now we're back in English. But let's try another language. Let's try, what other languages? Italiano, Portuguese. So it's the same process. Let's say you, I don't know, is it Russian or Greek? I don't know. Let's say you're here. You're like, oh my God, what do I do? Where's my, I just want to fly my drone. All right, so we're going to try another language. It's the same process. You just have to remember which way to count. And again, I have the cheat sheet here. I'm just going to type it in. All right, so then here we go. Menu, backwards from the bottom, 1 up, okay? Select. And then you're going to go backwards from the bottom, select 1. And now backwards from the bottom, 2 up, okay? And then select it. And you're like, oh my God, there's my English. And then that's it. And that's it. Let's try, maybe we'll try another language. Deutsch. Spreche mich Deutsch. Let's try Dutch. All right. Same thing. Remember, nothing changes in the process. The number sequences are still the same, which is great. Thanks DJI for that. So now we're just going to go Deutsch. And now there you go. You're like, at least the N is normal mode. Normal, yeah, and that probably means normal. And then miles per hour, ditch, I don't know what the fuck it says. Anyway, all right, so Voyager. Oh, yeah, there is a Voyager. That's in English. All right, so knowing that and moving forward, we're going to bring the Dutch. So I guess you could say we could probably put in our meta tags all the languages that are covered in this video. This way people can do it. All right, so knowing that, 1 up, okay? And then we're just going to go to, again, oh, wow, look, display. Interesting. It's in another language. Info. I guess info would be about, right? And then going up, 1 and 1 down, backwards. Okay. 1, 2. Spreche. Deutsch. English. And that's it. Let's see what other language we can go over. I think I was going to go over French. French. Where is French? Oh. French, and then same thing, except, you know, maybe just have a little bit of an attitude. No, I'm just kidding. France, I went to France before. It's a beautiful country. Actually, I did a home exchange there once, where someone came to live in our house and our apartment, and then they and we went to live in theirs. It was really cool, and all I had to do was pay for my plane ticket, which is kind of cool. Except I don't know, I can do that now because I don't think anybody will want to come to live where I live. It was when I lived in New York City. And then that's it. See, now we're here, we're in the French, and then we're just going to do the same thing, same thing, and then go here, perimeters, and then I go here, control, again backwards, approso, and then I go backwards once again, and then 1, 2, French, and then English. Oh my God, there's English. There it is right there. And then that's it. You're finito. All right. Anyway, I think we covered a few languages and you can get the gist of it. There'll be a link to this in the description down below so that, you know, if you couldn't follow along in the video, at least you could follow along with the steps and just print it or do whatever, or, you know, maybe you can do it on your screen. Anyway, if you have any comments or questions, feel free to leave them down below, or ideas for other videos. Remember to like and subscribe, and I'll see you all next time.